The whole crypto market and the price of Bitcoin right now is pumping towards the upside incessantly. As I informed you guys in my previous video, I went long exactly at the bottom and now the price is pumping towards the upside. Not only Bitcoin but also Solana is pumping and crude oil is also pumping. I will discuss each and everything in today's video, and first of all you will learn a lot of things, so do watch till the end and let's get straight to the point. Here I am on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and last time I made a video somewhat over here, if you all remember. Right here I informed you guys that I went long exactly at this price level at $52,500 approx, and now you can clearly see price is pumping towards the upside. Same analysis, do watch my previous video, I will link it in the comment box and in the end also. Do watch it, you will understand how I found exact bottom of the Bitcoin and went long here, and now you can clearly see price is pumping. Let's see how far this pumps, because my first target has been met, which is at approx $57,800. my second target is $60,000, which I'm sure it will also be will get triggered right here. Let's see what happens. Currently price is pumping towards the upside in a straight line. I won't say straight line but continuously, so we can see some rejection or some sideways movement, but let's see what happens. I was watching the price of Bitcoin yesterday and I observed that if yesterday's candle closes above my purple zone, inside my purple zone to be precise, this is the important purple zone from $58,000 approx to $60,300. it is a very important support and resistance zone, very accurate. So as you can clearly see, yesterday's green candle closed inside it. This means there is still potential in the buyers, and now as it has closed inside this zone, it will make the $57,000 or $58,000 level as a support. So price closed above it, so this means there are chances buyers will make this level as a support and will again pump towards the upside. Let's see what happens. And yeah, currently price is pumping. Let's see, we can see some consolidation or some retracement towards the downside, but it's okay because as you all know, my stop loss is currently above my entry price, somewhat over here. I informed you guys in my previous video. So even if this trade goes against me, I will be in profits only. So yeah, that's it for Bitcoin's analysis, nothing much right now. And let's see what happens next week, because the coming days are weekend, Saturday and Sunday, so I'm not expecting much movements in the price of Bitcoin right now. And even if the price of Bitcoin or any other crypto pumps incessantly or dumps incessantly towards the upside or downside during the weekend, there is, I would say, no point in that. Why? Because CME charts, I hope you all know Bitcoin CME gap. So the Bitcoin futures chart, or I would say Bitcoin CME chart, it only opens for weekdays from Monday to Friday, and it closes on Saturday and Sunday. So even if the price of Bitcoin pumps towards the upside or downside on Saturday and Sunday, it will come back to its original level in the weekdays. So I hope you all know what I'm trying to say. So there is not much movement. Let's see for the next week what happens. I'm still, for shorter term, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. The Solana's chart right now, and I hope you all remember I entered in a long position at $123 and approximately at $121 also. I entered here, and price of Solana is pumping towards the upside. Currently it is facing some rejection at this price right here. Let's see what happens. My stop loss is at break even now, so even if this trade goes against me, I will exit in break even. Not much profit, not much loss. And yeah, Solana price is still in a downtrend, same as Bitcoin, but still I can see some bullishness in the price in the coming week. It all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pumps, then obviously Solana will also pump. This is a crucial level for Solana right now at $134. If it breaks it towards the upside, then it can easily meet my first target at $156 approx. In the end, I'm on the crude oil's chart, and from my past video, if you all remember, I entered in a long position once again on crude oil at $66. I did enter in a long position here previously at $71. I made a video about it as well, and the price pumped towards the upside. Still my target here was not met at $78. Price got rejected from the downwards trend line because, as you all know, crude oil is in a downtrend. But it's okay, I exited in small profits only because my stop loss was above my entry price. I was trailing it. Well, now if I zoom out, you all know I did break down my analysis, full analysis of my crude oil long position trade right here in my previous video, so do watch it. But here is just a brief. Price is in a downtrend, high, lower low, lower high, lower low has been made right here. Price is oversold right now, as you all know. Crude oil's price is dumping towards the downside incessantly, so it is oversold right now. So that's why I'm going long on crude oil, because now is the potential of buyers to show and to jump in the market, because bears are oversold right now. And let me just remove this Fibonacci tool. I used it to find the stop loss, so I hope you all know, and I explained it in my previous video as well. Currently crude oil trade is also going perfectly well. Let's see if this triggers my first take profit at $72 approx, 72.6. let's see. Currently it is pumping towards the upside. If the price of crude oil pumps towards the upside a little bit more, like just a little bit at 69.7 or $70, then I will start trailing my stop loss. Same strategy, I will place my stop loss at entry price or above entry price. So even if this trade goes against me, it will be a risk-free trade for me. And that's how you have to manage your trades, because you have to hold your profits as much as possible and cut your loss as much as possible. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand the Bitcoin analysis, how I am managing my trades on Bitcoin, Solana and crude oil right now, and what I am expecting for the next week for the whole crypto market and Bitcoin as well. Let's see how this goes. I am pretty bullish on Bitcoin and crypto market for shorter term, but let's see how the price reacts, and I'll manage my trade accordingly and will inform you guys on my Twitter as well. So do follow me on my Twitter, link is in the description. If you want to trade Bitcoin or Solana or any other crypto, you can do that on Bybit, and if you want to trade crude oil, you can do that on Exness. Link of both of them will be in the description. If you want to use it, you can use those links, and if not, then it's okay, you can just search them on any search browser and use them, or any other exchange you want to use for trading or buying and selling, but beware of scams. Alright, so yeah, this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.